Hello everyone. In our video today, we're diving into the benefits of zinc, a vital mineral that can help fade age spots and maintain healthy skin as we grow older. Many people, especially those over 50, experience age spots, those brown, grey or black patches on parts of the body that get a lot of sun, like the face, hands and arms. Though these spots are harmless, many folks prefer to lessen their appearance for aesthetic reasons. Some treatments and creams can lighten age spots, but our focus today is on zinc's power to help prevent and diminish these spots from within. Zinc is crucial for numerous bodily functions, including immune response, growth, brain function, and reproduction. It's particularly important for skin health because of its role in producing collagen, which keeps our skin firm, smooth, and elastic. As collagen production decreases with age, wrinkles and uneven skin tone become more apparent. Zinc helps slow down these signs of aging by being essential for collagen formation. Moreover, zinc activates an enzyme that protects our skin from UV damage, the main culprit behind age spots. It also helps regulate melanin production and prevents the accumulation that leads to age spots. Despite its importance, many people don't get enough zinc due to a lack of storage in the body and issues like poor absorption. It's especially challenging for vegetarians, since meat and shellfish are the best zinc sources. Adults should aim for 15 mg of zinc daily from foods like oysters, beef, chicken, cashews and yogurt, or consider supplements if their diet falls short. Additionally, combining zinc with other nutrients like vitamin C, copper, vitamin E and CoQ10 can enhance skin health and age spot prevention. Now for a topical solution to fade existing age spots. Try a homemade paste made from baking soda and lemon juice. This mixture exfoliates the skin and uses the bleaching effect of baking soda and the brightening properties of lemon juice. Apply it to the spots, wait 10-15 minutes, then rinse. Doing this 2 or 3 times a week can help fade the spots. Remember to apply sunscreen when treating areas exposed to the sun. Try out this baking soda and lemon mask and share your results. Alongside proper skincare and nutrients like zinc, you can achieve clearer, spot-free skin. Do you have any tips for removing age spots? Share them in the comments. I love hearing your experiences. For more tips on anti-aging and skincare, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.